Jai Dee is a wellness studio with regular yoga classes, workshops, Thai massage, and other wellness services focusing on self-healing and personal development. Our community supports each other in connecting with this inner self. We create space to slow down, rest, and find balance in the mind, body, and spirit. Our workshops, classes, and services dive into the self, the inner knowing that exists in all of us, to assist us in moving through life choosing awareness, mindfulness, and kindness. We know that healing begins with self-love. Jai Dee is a cozy, safe, and loving space where people can explore and nurture their own self-healing for the highest good. Welcome to Jai Dee.